guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my June Boxycharm unboxing. I just got it in the mail a couple hours ago, so let's go ahead and open it up. The weight of my box is 1.28 pounds. I'm very excited to get my Boxycharm this month because last month it came like May 30th and now it actually came on time and I'm really excited. And let's see. Oh, and I got a card. Last month I didn't get this little card in my Boxycharm. The number that I have for my box is 42 and the theme is Oasis. I thought this was like a brunch spread. I thought this was like some donuts or something and this was coffee. Well, I guess this is tea, but anyways, let's see what's in here. Ooh, okay, I love this. Well, I've never tried this, but I'm excited to. So the first thing in here is from First Aid Beauty. This is a bump eraser body scrub with 10% AHA. I'm definitely excited to try this out. I love body scrubs and I love that this comes in a tube and not like a jar because those are like, can get gross, or sometimes like I dump it out in the shower and I waste half the product. And I wonder, I like that it has AHA because I've never done like any kind of like acid peel on my body. And I really don't exfoliate my body too much. So it's probably good, especially for summertime. So I'm definitely excited for this. This retails for $18. I actually thought it was gonna be a bit more, but I'm gonna try this out right away. I'm definitely gonna use that whole thing up. And then next up, what is this? Oh, cool. This is gonna be a good box because I'm seeing like some brands that I already know that I like. This is from Touch in Soul. It says Phillip Orange. I'm assuming, yeah, I didn't even know they made eyeshadow palettes. And I think last month I got like a really mediocre eyeshadow palette, but I have a feeling, based on the packaging, that this one's gonna be a good one, and I've never tried eyeshadows from them. This looks exactly like those eyeshadow palettes from MAC. It's like the exact same layout. You guys know what I'm talking about. I can't remember the name of them, but they looked just like this. I'm gonna keep this. I don't like that the names are on this little card because I'm obviously not gonna like do this, but let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch everything. Oh, this is gonna be a good one. I love this like fiery orange shade. Let's see. All right, so it looks pretty good. I did expect a little bit more of a foiled quality swatching some of these. Let's see, here's a few more. Here's a little orange glittery Cheeto shade. I actually really like that. I think this is gonna be a really cute palette. Like this is all shades that I wear all the time, like warm neutrals. Let's see, I kind of made a mess here with this glitter. Yeah, I feel like this is gonna be a good one. Like I said, it doesn't feel like the best thing I've ever swatched in my life. I definitely have gotten more foiled shadows in Boxycharms before, but I think that one is pretty promising. It reminds me so much of like Urban Decay Naked Heat plus glitter, and I really like that glitter as well. So let's see the price on this. This retails for $32. I feel like that's a good price because if you told me this was $50, I would think it's too much, but $32 for this palette, I think that's definitely a good price. It has 9 shades in here. And definitely if you have a deeper complexion, I think this would be a really pretty highlight. I might be able to wear it like lightly as a highlight as well. So I did not know that Touch in Soul had eyeshadows, and that makes me very happy because I love, I have this in my everyday makeup drawer. I love their Pretty Filter primer. I love everything that I've tried from them. Their No Problem primer. I always mess up the name of that. But I love those products from Touch in Soul. I do want to try out more from them. I know they have like some more glitter single eyeshadows, but I didn't know they made palettes, so I'm excited for that. All right, so next up, this is from Lily Lashes, and this is a mascara. It's called the Triple X Mascara. I did not know that Lily Lashes made anything other than eyelashes, but let's see what this looks like. Do you guys know where you can purchase Lily Lashes? Because I've honestly only gotten them in subscription boxes. I don't know if they're like available. I think they actually are available at Sephora. So this is the mascara wand. Doesn't remind me, there we go. Doesn't remind me of anything specifically. It's just like a fluffy, normal mascara wand. It says Triple X. Let's see what the claims are. Extra volume velvet finish mascara. So I will definitely try that out now that I just opened it. I'm gonna start trying this out right away. And then next up, this is a product from Laura Geller. Laura Geller is such a throwback to like old school YouTube. Gilded Honey, you guys remember that highlighter? I was looking to see if Gilded Honey was on here. This says Shades of Nude, and it is a eye, lip, and cheek palette cream to powder. Oh, interesting. Okay. A little baby face powder or palette. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this up. I might actually like this. This highlighter, like a cream. Okay, it actually does feel like a cream to powder finish. Like as soon as I start blending it out, it just looks like I put regular powder highlighter on my skin. It looks like almost nothing. You guys can probably just see like a little reflective shimmer. But it is actually a really pretty shade. This contour looks very orange. Yes. And it kind of looks bronzy as I blend it out. Yeah, that might actually be okay. And this blush I think I'm going to like as well. I'm really into cream products for summer. Yeah, I think I'm going to like that blush too. I just blended everything out, so I know it's not like the most apparent how it's going to look, but everything swatches just fine, and like the texture feels like very creamy as well, which I like too. I hate cream contour, cream blush products that feel like greasy. So now that I open this, I'm definitely going to be using this. I'm going to add this to my everyday makeup drawer. And this retails for $24, and then the mascara from Lily Lashes also retails for $24. And then lastly, this is a lip product from the brand KAB. A lip liner and lip gloss in the shade Charming. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this is huge. Is the lip liner big? No, the lip liner is normal size. This is gonna take up like my whole purse. This is so big. Like this is a setting spray for comparison of this lip gloss. All right, so let's see the color. Oh, it's okay. I don't love it. I don't know if I'm gonna like the, I don't know. I don't know, guys. The lip liner feels very, very creamy, but I don't necessarily like the berry tone. I'll go ahead and swatch the lip gloss because I really want to see what this wand. This is literally bigger than Tarte Shape Tape. This is so big. Actually, I like the gloss. The gloss can be cute. I guess they're the same shade. Maybe I like all of it. I don't know. I need to like actually put this on my lips. Like this wand is like, you go like this and you're done. Let me know if you guys got this, if you think it's hilarious, because it just is literally 3 times the size of like, this is the mascara. What? This is so, like, who needs this much lip gloss? This is gonna last me 2 decades. I don't know. I just think the packaging is so funny, and it's like impractical because it's like so big to fit in like your purse or anything. Let me see how much that duo goes for. $40 for that duo. I kind of like everything that I got in my Boxycharm. Honestly, if I don't like the lip color, the packaging is inconvenient, but it's so entertaining to me that it makes up for it, which is totally fine. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna love the lip issue here. But the eyeshadow palette, face palette, like mascara, I'm finally getting actual makeup in my Boxycharm. Last couple months I've been getting like a loofah and like random sheet masks and stuff. Like I'm actually getting makeup again, which is awesome. And the one skincare product is something I would have purchased anyways. I love First Aid Beauty so much. Their red clay cleanser, I go through it like water, honestly. It's so good. Love this brand. Definitely trying out this body scrub. I'm going to use that whole thing up by the time I make my next Boxycharm video. So let's see. Did I tell you guys the prices of everything? Yes. Let me tell you how much the total value of my box was this month. All right, so the total value of my Boxycharm for June is $138. It's actually a little bit lower than some of my previous Boxycharms, but honestly, a lot of my Boxycharms end up like $150, $160. value because I'll get a random skincare product from a brand I've never heard of, and it's like a serum for $90, and that's like the majority of the whole box. So I feel like it's a good value considering like everything is like a high-end brand, a lot of brands that I already know and like. I know 4 out of 5 brands, and there are brands that I would normally purchase anyway. So this is actually a pretty good box this month. Definitely worth the price this month for sure. I'm getting like a full face of makeup here and not random products like before. So that's gonna be everything for this Boxycharm video. I do have an affiliate link with Boxycharm. I'll leave it in my description box if you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm. You can use that link or just go to the Boxycharm website. But that's everything for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.